All right, in this video, we're going to update our home page. Now, right now, the home page is being managed by views. Go to Structure, Views. You'll see a view called Front Page. There are many ways to manage the front page of a Drupal site. For site builders, you can edit this view, which is what we're going to do. You could use panels, and panels is a very popular module for managing layouts and things like that. It's not quite ready for Drupal 8 as of this recording, but they are working hard on it, and panels is something I'd encourage you to look at. There are also template overrides. That's beyond the scope of this course, but take a look at the layout and theming course when it's available. So for today, we're going to manage our homepage using the front page view. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to add a basic page here at the top with a picture of Sydney and a little bit of introductory text. We're going to eliminate all of the FAQs that we generated earlier from the view. And that's something that Devel did. It automatically promoted even the basic pages to the home page. Well, we don't want that, so we'll programmatically set that so that can't happen even if a content editor says promote this to the home page. And lastly, we'll make sure that that welcome article only shows up for anonymous users, because if I'm logged in, obviously I don't need to be welcomed. All right, let's get busy with that. I know we created a welcome article earlier. We're going to just create a basic page to replicate that. Hover on Content, Add Content, and Basic Page. And let's call this Welcome to the Hotels of Sydney. Now, we've not really covered the WYSIWYG editor here. We did that in the beginner class. We're going to just quickly use this to update our content and insert an image. Go ahead and put in "You've come to the right place." We feature all the hotels of Sydney and the attractions and landmarks near each one. You can download coupons, updates, and more from each hotel page. Once you've got that in, go ahead and grab an image from Google that represents Sydney, and go ahead and insert it here using the WYSIWYG editor. One of the dangers of the WYSIWYG editor, of course, is that I can now take this very large image and shrink it down using the WYSIWYG editor. And I really hate that. These images should be created so that they're the right size for your node, because this is still a really large image. This is the one reason I don't like WYSIWYG editors, and I don't like not using image fields. But again, this is a training issue. Make sure your content editors are resizing their images before you upload them in the WYSIWYG editor. So over on the right-hand side, I'm not going to make a menu for this because it's going to be on my home page, and I'm not promoting it anywhere. We'll leave the view mode as the default. For the author, we'll leave that blank for this one because we don't really want the author showing up. Click Save and Publish. And so now I have a Welcome to the Hotels of Sydney node that is going to show up at the top of my page. In the next video, we'll update the view so that it uses this basic page at the top, as well as only shows up for people who are not logged in.